Hello, today I am using nail forms Matryoshka French from Imenka. Stay until the end to see the final results.
I am Radina Ignatova, helping nail technicians think like professionals throughout real education.
Now I have all the dual forms size in front of me, and I'm going to use indigo milky white to for the French tip, and I'm going to add a hint of white to make it more white French like, because I do not currently own any good builder gel that is proper white for French, and I wanted the French to be whiter, but probably this is one of the mistakes that I made doing this, and you're going to see later on in the video why. So I am applying a very thin layer of the mixture, and I am going to polymerize these in full. I'm just making sure that there is no gaps at all and everything is nice and smooth. To be honest, the margin where the French tip ends towards the nail bed, it is very defined, and it's very easy to work with that. It happens very quick and very smooth, so you do not really have to. It's very quick. It's probably going to be good for a salon as well, salon application. You can see for yourself that there is very little work involved in here. So I am going to do all of this, all of the whole process with the white mixture into all 10 forms, and I'm going to come back and show you what I did later on. So now I have all of the dual forms ready, and I'm going to use this Andrea builder in a bottle, pink, nude pink, for the nail beds, and later I'm going to add the glittery one underneath. So now what I'm doing is I'm creating structure and thickness. I am just using straight the milky white from the pot without mixing it with anything. So I will not polymerize anything, and you can see how I'm applying the pink as well. As I said, the margin is very strong, is very easy to work with them. So now I'm going to apply onto my finger. So I am using clean imprint technique, and I am polymerizing immediately after I have closed the grow points. What I found that I had to size up just a touch, otherwise the growth points were going to be exposed when the product was added inside the dual form. So I don't know whether I made the mistake of polymerizing one layer of product first. So I'm going to give them another go, and I am obviously going to film that as well so we can experiment. But stay, watch the video until the end, because I am going to reveal the final results and you're going to understand why I did not like them. And I am going to explain everything on the end of the video. So as you can see, now is I am adding the pink again for the nail, for the next nail, and you can see that they are very easy to use, and the things are happening very quickly. So you can achieve clean imprint technique if you're advanced enough. But what I wish that Imenka did is the plastic towards the cuticle is to be more soft. The way that their version 2, all, all, all of the version 2 dual forms from Imenka are. That's one thing that I wished that they did with these dual forms, because the plastic, it's not very soft enough to achieve a true clean imprint as what you can do with all the other version 2 dual forms. So I've noticed that I had a little bit of gap, and I'm just going to put the dual form back and add just the corner. So when you apply the French tip inside the dual form, make sure that you go right onto the side walls, otherwise you can end up with slight gaps. So it's important to cover all of the sides as well when you are working with these specific dual forms from Imenka Matryoshka with French integrated French. So I am just going to repeat all of the steps on all 5 fingers, and you can see that they are very easy, they are very smooth, they give you very quick and smooth application with the benefit of integrated French as well at the same time. So again, after I close the growth points, I am flash curing, and you can see already that I have popped off the rest too. So I've popped off the pinky and my index ring finger, and you can see that they are already polymerized and they are ready. Another thing that I did not like about these dual forms is that you have the almond and the square in one. And whenever you are polymerizing, if you have a smaller lamp, your client is not going to be able to have their hands as far in the lamp without moving, without touching. If your lamp is slightly more shallower, um, and the light is not going to be able to polymerize as well. So in if you have a smaller lamp, I have a wide enough lamp, very a long lamp with a lot of room inside. So I was able to put my whole hand in to get a proper polymerization. But with shower lamp, I would recommend you popping off after doing the 60 seconds, and ask your client to put their hands in again for another cure, just to be on the safe side in case anything, because the product, the foam that we are using, the one that is on the nail, it might stay towards the entrance of the lamp, and you might not be able to polymerize the product as well as proper positioning of the hand, what I'm trying to explain here. So, judging by the architecture that the dual form has, I would not think that you can create very short salon results with this one, simply because it has a high apex in the middle, and you're going to end up with very thick nail. So I would probably not use this one in very short lengths. So anything of medium to long length, I think this dual form is going to suit. But if you are intending of using them for very short nails, I don't think it's going to work because it's going to have very high concentration of product in the middle, and you're going to end up with very thick free edge. Now I'm going to put my hand into the lamp for full polymerization after I have flash cured all of the dual forms. And after I tidy up the underside, and remember, never uh, see how I'm cleaning underneath, never put that product back into your pots or bottles, whatever you're using, because it might be already, the polymerization has already probably started, and you're going to put that back into the pot, and your whole product is going to mess up because it's going to continue working. So now I really wanted to try this color from Andrea, the glittery one, and I decided to not file anything underneath because they were smooth already. And I thought I'm going to try the sparkle on the top underneath to give it more of a shimmer effect. So I only applied a very very thin layer of the shimmery builder gel, and I have polymerized, and I applied top coat underneath, and later on you're going to see how I'm going to finish off the top side of these dual form nails as well. Now I'm going to tell you one of the mistakes that I did is to use the mixture of the milky white and the white, and then they turn out too patchy. Maybe because I did it in two layers, in two goes, but I did not like the look of it and how patchy it was. Then I decided to paint white at the very top. Now what I'm showing you is the gap. This is simply a gap that you cannot avoid using integrated French because it's a technical gap that you need to fill later on. And another thing that I made the mistake, because if I was doing a builder gel that was intended for French, I would have had the same color of the gap, or you could simply use the pink as well. But what I didn't like with this method, that I only use gel polish to fill in the gap, is that later on, if I look too close, I can still see the margin of the gap, and I didn't want to add more bulk on top of the nails and later to hide it, because it was just going to be looking bumpy. So I wasn't happy with the final result of the nails, and you can see how visible, how pronounced is the gap. Then now I have painted gel polish at the top to make the fringe more white, because I told you already that I did not like the look of the patchiness, because it was simply my mistake. I wanted to try. I did think that this might happen, but then I still went with it. Sometimes you do things that you think you know how they're going to look, but you still go on with them, and then you regret things that does not actually make sense, but you still do them. Honestly, I did not like the final result of those nails at all. I have seen these nails, and Instagram made me buy these dual forums They were £20, and because they come from Latvia, there was a £5 shipping fee as well. So total of 20, about £25 um, for this box of Imenka Matryoshka French tips, which is not cheap at all. And to be honest, I think that I had higher hopes from Imenka because I love all of their version 2 dual forums. They work amazing, but I do not like, and this is my very first impression from Matryoshka French, from Imenka. I think I personally, if you have done acrylics or if you had acrylics in the past, maybe like 5, 10 years ago, we used to use white plastic tip underneath, which it dominated. So after I finished with those nails, they reminded me so much of that plastic acrylic old fashioned looking nails because of the white, because of the French is dominating. We can pay attention later how small the pink is on some of the nails, like my ring finger and the pinky especially. You could probably bring the form down and then fill in the gap with the pink, but for me, this is not how a dual form works. If you have to add product. And this is the finished result. I honestly hated these nails. I did not like them at all. You can see how the pink is very little and then the white dominates. It looks very artificial. It looks very fake. I don't know whether that's because I painted more at the top. I painted more white at the top, but I'm going to definitely give them another try. And looking at the architecture onto the sides, I like how the thumb is looking because it has a bigger nail bed. And I kind of like the architecture, but it's looking very American rather than European architecture because of the very high apex in the middle and then it drops towards the free edge. Then 2 days later, I have cut them and made them shorter into a modern almondy shape. And now you can see what I meant by you cannot really make short forms out of them. This is right after I have cut them. You can see how thick is the internal structure of them. I definitely going to give this dual form another go, but I don't really like the domination of the white even after I made them short. And expected a lot more from Imenka and taking into consideration the higher price tag on them as well.